Hey guys, check out this basket, right? Now you know what? I can't even say this is a bike basket. This is like a bike set all in one, kit and caboodle, I tell you. When I opened up this box, I seen all of these pieces, right? And I was impressed. Not even all the pieces, not even all the little bolts and nuts and screws. It had the tools you needed to put it together, right? Okay, so this bike rack is pretty sweet, right? It has a bunch of sweet, awesome features with it that you don't usually get when you order just, a good old bike rack little basket to put on the back of your bike. So I was impressed with this kit when I opened it. Now, it had that wire basket, but it wasn't just a basket, it was quick clutch foldable basket. It popped open and the ends are gonna pop close when you need it, right? And then, not only is it just that wire basket, it also has a nice waterproof bag that goes in the basket. And this bag is nice. It has pockets inside, it has pockets outside, it has two big straps for you to pull it out the basket, put it back in the basket, and then on top of that, you also get a cargo net and a little jump rope thingy, you know what I mean? So you're gonna strap it down, unstrap it, whatever you need to do with this, basket set, it's gonna come through. And now, since we have a bigger bike here, I was impressed that it came with that bell, ring-a-ding-ding-ding. So I was able to put that over on the passenger seat because, the passenger usually needs to ring a bell every once in a while. So all in all, if you're looking for, a basket to put on the back of your bike and, you got some time for installation, this is gonna be the route to go. Installation was okay. The instructions wasn't the most informal of how to put it all together, but I'm super happy that they sent this to me to try out. It's a nice asset to our bike now this summer. It's gonna be fantastic. So whether you're out there delivering stuff or, you just need a little personal storage, this is gonna be the route to go. This thing here is fantastic.